Mabuhay ang Pundo ng Pinoy! Happy and fruitful 20th anniversary! Para sa akin, ang maganda sa Pundo ng Pinoy is because it can be participated by everyone, young and old, children, adult, makapag-aral o wala man, mayaman o mahirap, lahat ay kayang magbigay at makatulong. At ang ganda nito kasi pag isama-sama natin, kahit gaano kaliit, pag marami tayo, marami ang matutulungan nito. Kaya you can just imagine what Pundo ng Pinoy has accomplished from the little donors that have been sharing all these past 20 years, and that it has helped a lot of people already, including the Diocese of San Carlos. At saka talagang we give witness to what we claim in PCP2. No one is so poor that one cannot give anything, and no one is so rich that he or she cannot receive anything. So really, it is an expression of a truly synodal church, a church of communion, participation, and mission. Kaya, mabuhay ang Pundo ng Pinoy! Patuloy tayong magsama-sama at magtulong sa kapwa. As we say in the Diocese of San Carlos, Ubuntu, I am because we are. Walang iwanan, ubayan tabay sa misyon.